Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your first week of October reads. Starting from the 1st through the 7th of October 2021, this reading is going to be for the sign of Aquarius. So let's see what is coming up for Aquarians for the first week time. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading, plus we will also be adding messages from your person as well. So stay tuned and while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you, it is a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the signs and messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal leads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also check out the other services that I offer as well in the description box. So yeah, let's see what is coming up for the Aquarians for the first week time. Let's see. Nine of Wands. Paired up with Page of Cups. I do see somebody taking one step forward, 10 steps backward. It can be you, it can be your person's energy as well. Somebody is really interested in coming forward, expressing love, making that offer, sending the message. But it's more like maybe it's a situation where you type the message and you are about to send it, but then you delete the message and then you feel like no, it's never gonna work. So it can be that kind of a situation as well with you and your person. But I feel like somebody's not taking the step forward, neither ending that situation with that specific someone. So somebody is like being indecisive. Um, there is this creepy energy of this person. It can be you, it can be them as well. Let's see some more cards first. Wow. This is a past person that you're dealing with. I feel like a person in your life who was not giving into the connection earlier, and they always had their guards up. They really want to come forward now. This person really wants to come forward, make the romantic gesture, make the first move towards you, but then they feel like maybe it's not going to be the right thing. There's this creepiness coming again. So this person is not letting the past go. It's more like even though their heart is like aching for you, but they are not taking that step for you or towards you. They miss you, they want you, they need you, but at the same time this person is not there is something that they have to let go of. They really have to let go of this past situations that they are still holding in here, and they have to make that step towards you. But right now what they are doing is they are holding themselves back, and their heart is like jumping from them, jumping out from their chest, and they really want you to know what they're feeling in their heart for you. But at the same time, the moment they have that feeling, they pull themselves away to the point where you feel like this person doesn't even care. So deep down, they want you, they need you, they really miss you. They miss the good times that they spent with you. They miss the love that you had with them. So there is this missing energy there a lot. Your person is really thinking about you and the good times that you spent with each other. Yes, they have been thinking a lot about you. And this energy is going to get intensified with every passing day. This energy is going to gain momentum. Let's see more cards here. Wow. I feel like that shift that was needed. I feel like it's going to be happening this week time, where your person is going to put that past in the past, so they could do whatever they wish to do with you. They want to come forward, they want to talk to you, they want to invest in this connection with you, but at the same time they were hiding themselves and their true feelings for you, and they were not coming forward, they were not like expressing it to you. I feel like they will be doing that in this week time. They are going to take that take any opportunity that they have, and they are going to be expressive. And then whatever it is that is stopping this person from coming forward, it will be like they will be working towards it to get rid of it. so they could take that step towards you. And I feel like this is going to be a game changer in this connection, in this relationship between the two of you. Your person is going to feel like now they're ready and prepared for it, so they will let the past go. And if there is something in their life which is stopping them from coming forward right now, that one thing is also going to leave the situation. So your person will be mentally, physically, emotionally prepared, and they will be taking step towards you for sure in this week time. So let's see what are the messages of your person. What is it that they want you to know? What is the message of your person? I left when I saw you with someone. Maybe a person has a fear of getting rejected. Maybe they feel like if they come back to you now, maybe you have already moved on with someone else. So they might be like feeling like at times they want to come towards you, but then they hold themselves back, feeling, what if you reject them? What if you say that no, I have moved on? They are not strong enough to deal with that. So maybe they are not coming forward as of now, but soon they are going to feel like maybe I need to take that chance. And what if you have not moved on? So they would still like to try their luck with you. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. This person has been thinking a lot about you, and I feel like this person really does miss you a lot. But something has been holding this person back, and they are waiting for the right opportunity to come forward. I am becoming a better person. I feel like now they are becoming a better person because now they are strong enough to deal with whatever it is that was basically stopping them earlier from coming forward, expressing their true feelings for you, whatever it was, whatever the situation was, which was kind of stopping them from taking that action towards you or making that first step towards you. I feel like now they are strong enough to deal with it. If they had to be under the if they had to be like under taking approval from their friends and family, maybe now they don't need that because they really want to they really want you. They really want anything that can bring them closer to you. So they will be they will be doing all that they need to do to have a step closer towards you. Let's see what else is the message from your person. What else he or she wants to say. I love you more than you love me. I just don't express. So this person claims to love you more than you love them for sure. So let's see what are the oracle guidance in the situation between the two of you. What is the oracle guidance it has to suggest? A personal issue reaches resolution. If whatever the issue was in this connection, be that coming from your end, your person's end, I feel like that issue is going to get resolved for sure. And then the situation is going to get better between the two of you. Adjustments are required. For some of you, maybe you need to have an open communication so you could fix the matter that used to bring a lot of chaotic energy in this connection. So you need to talk openly so there is nothing from the past left. Have an open communication, especially if your person always had this thing that maybe you were already with someone else and maybe you were happy with someone else. If they had this kind of fear, I feel like, and it's very important, if and when you come together, you need to have a very clear-cut communication, very transparent communication where what has happened when you were away. And so there's transparency there in this connection. Love yourself first. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. For some of you, again, if there had been like lack of self-worth in this connection coming from your end or your person's end, I feel like that needs to be worked on before this connection is going to the next level or before you could come together with each other. I feel like for some of you, maybe you need to work on yourself and your self-worth and self-confidence before you could have a new beginning or before you could make a move towards your person. Because if you are not confident in yourself and the love that you have for your person, you will never get the kind of attraction, the kind of compassion coming from your person, because it's more like what you are feeling from within is going to get reflected in your person's attitude towards you. So make sure whenever you are making a move towards your person or whenever the cross watcher is making the move towards the Aquarian, they have to be very confident in their step towards it. So that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If it helped you, do like, share and subscribe. If you're willing to purchase a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care, bye.